We saw a mother, isn't it? We saw a mother who supported, encouraged her son in various ways to make him a scientist. Transformation of a scout to a scientist. You see? Transformation of a scout to a scientist. That is the content of this lesson. That is the content of the lesson. I was his only companion until he started school, his mother said, underline. His mother says, I was not a mother. Mother says, I was not a mother till he went to school. I was his companion. I was his friend. What is the difference between friend and companion? Friend is a friend, companion is a companion, isn't it? Companion is the one who is always with somebody, who's always with. So mother was always with a bride in all his movements to encourage him, to promote him. After that, I would bring home friends for him. So when he began to go to school, thereafter, mother began to bring friends for him. Underline, bring friends home. But at night, we just did things together. Richie means Richard Bright, was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in 3rd grade. So Richie's father died when Richie was in 3rd grade. Standard 3. His father died. And after the death of her husband, father of Richie, Richard a bride, the boy was everything in her life. Everything in her life. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in 3rd grade. Melvin, where are you, man? I am standing here. Turn to this side, 60 degree left. Now it is okay. You are keeping the mobile camera to this side and you are going to that side. She and her son, mother and child, spend almost every evening at the dining table. So the meeting place was dining table. Dining table really, it is a place of encouragement. Dining table is a place of beginning. Many things begin, many plannings begin on the dining table. Because that is why I tell each and every one of you, have the dinner with your parents. That is why I give you 1 hour at night, 8:30 to 9:30 break at your studies. 8:30 to 9:30 break. Sir, we don't have any running, then why should we need the break? 6 o'clock till onwards, it is fully break, sir. Ashik? 5:20 class gets over. Then after that we are free, sir. My students will not be free. My students will be at the table at 6 p.m. Those who do not come to the study table at 6 p.m. are my students. Those who come are my students. Those who do not come to the study table at 6 p.m. are not my students. My students, I would say again, my students should come to your study table at 6 p.m. and they will leave the table at 11 p.m. For them, I permit 1 hour break, that is 8:30 to 9:30. Half an hour food, half an hour prayer. Family prayer, family food. I clearly tell you, you should have your supper with your parents. Dining table is a place of resource. Dining table is a place of encouragement. Dining table is a place of inventions. Dining table is a place of discoveries. There we exchange. You will get a lot of ideas. You see here? She and her son, Richard, spent almost every evening at the dining room table. If he didn't have things to do, I found work for him, underline. So, after the class, in the evening hours, mother comes to the dining room and she does her kitchen work while sitting in the dining room. And mother asks Richie, my dear son, you come to dining room and do your studies in the dining room. So both are there. Their mother sees Adilaya. Ummachi sees Adil is not studying, Adil is sitting simply. So Ummachi says, Adi, nothing to study. So now Adil says, Mummy, today no teacher was there, so nothing to study. So Mummy says, I shall give you something to work. This is the method of mother of Richard. Richard kept her son in the dining hall, and mother also came to the dining hall. Both of them sat in the dining hall and they were doing the work. So whenever Richard didn't have any work, mother gave him some work to do. You see? This is making of a scientist. Yesterday you were absent. Didn't you ask anybody? Making of a scientist, the footprints. The other lesson is over, man. Okay, page number 33 of footprints. Okay, footprints, page number 33. So, you see, we are in the dining table. This platform is dining table. If you don't have any work, you tell me. I will give you enough work. If you don't have work, I can give you Prajot. Do you want some work? You are sitting simply, I think so. I think you are sitting very simply there without any work, isn't it? I can send you some work. Nirupama, do you have work? Now she says, sir, I have enough work, isn't it? So that you don't send me work. Vishnu, do you want work? No, enough work. Nobody wants. I will call all are lazy ones. All are lazy ones. Joseph sleeps at 12:30 at night and gets up at 5 o'clock. Not one day, every day. I sleep at 12:30. That and Josie sir tells you, you go and go to bed at 11 o'clock. When you finish 1 hour your sleep, Josie sir is on his table. Alive, alive. Alive means active. I go to bed at 12:30. That Josie sir is asking you, if you want to work, I can give you work. I have enough work. If you want to help me, you can help me. That means, Nirupama, you want to be lazy, isn't it? Lazy mind is the workshop of devil. That you do not love Josie sir, but you are loving devil, isn't it? Lazy mind is lazy mind. That is why work always. Be active always. So distraction will not come. At home you look at many devils are waiting for you. In a screen. On the screen, many devils are waiting for you. As soon as the class gets over, he is calling. Ah, I am here. Channel number 23. You click 23, 23, channel 23 come. Then 24 says, Arey, I am better than 23. So you are going to 24. So 25 says, why are you looking at 24? I am better than 24. Hundreds of devils are calling you. And you are looking at those people and you forget your textbook. Now you have already planned, tomorrow onwards, holidays. Holidays means filmy days. Holidays means filmy days, movie days. 9 o'clock one movie, Surya channel. 11 o'clock another movie. After lunch 1:30 another movie. 4 o'clock another movie. 7 o'clock serial. 8 o'clock serial. Then cricket. Full night. Day and night cricket. You have enough programs. Don't go for those things. If you have no work, if you have leisure, send a message to Josie sir. Sir, I am free. This much time I am free. Is there any work to do? I will give you simple work. Do you want? No, sir. No, Josie sir students will never say no, sir. They always say, yes, sir. They say, yes, sir. So whenever you are free, just tell me, I will give you work. Richard in this way became a scientist from scout. If you want to become a scientist, work out. Don't sit lazy. You see? If he underlined, if he didn't have things to do, I found work for him. Not physical work, but learning things. How, what a beautiful mother she was. What a beautiful mother who cared her son. She did not ask her to do manual work. She did not ask her to do manual work, physical work. No. You don't do any physical work. Learning work. Yesterday I told you, don't study, but begin to learn. The mother tells, learn. Learn for life. Learn for life. Yesterday just I told you, we should change our study into learning. Here mother says, I gave him work for learning. His mother said, not like you people. When I asked you to give you, when I told that I would be giving you some work, you told no, sir, no, sir, no, sir. But Richard told, Mama, give me work, give me work. Richard was very happy in doing things. He liked it. He wanted to learn. Underline. It was his nature. That is the nature behind growth. If you want to grow, you should have a desire to learn. In the same page, you see the first line. Read it 100 times. He had a driving curiosity with a bright mind. Clear now? Clear now? Match. Match. You match the first line and the last line of the third paragraph. You will see matching in Richard Bright and a mismatch in your life. That is why MCQ in English, less mark. Less mark. Now you got the reason? You understood the reason? MCQ, less mark. 20 out of 30, 23 out of 30, 18 out of 30, 17 out of 30. Why? This match. If Richard Bright had written my exam, he would be 30 out of 30. He would be 30 out of 30 because what did I desire? I could see in him. I desire an intense curiosity, a driving curiosity, a desire to learn. My Richard wanted to learn. So I'm sure he would get 30 out of 30. And unfortunately, these my children did not want to learn. Did not. Not now. Past tense. Now you know. Now you want to learn. Now you are very good. Now you are very good. You want to learn. You have an intense curiosity. You have a brain. You want to learn. Am I right? Am I right? You desire to learn. Ashik, you want to learn? Now you want to learn. Yesterday you didn't want to learn. You told Josie, sir, we don't want work. Now you are asking me work. Sir, what should I study? What should I study? How much I study? Shall you give me something to study? My Richard. Are you my Richard? Adidev, are you my Richard? My Richard had a driving curiosity. He had a mind to learn. He was in search of things to learn. He was in search of things to learn. You see, he liked learning. He never said no to mama. He never said no to mama. Think how many times you have told no to your mama in the matter of learning. What mummy always saying, study, study, study. Why can't you see that I am studying here? How many times you have asked, at least in the mind, you did not have the courage to ask straight, so you asked in your mind. Entoru mama. Always, always study, study, study. Isn't it, Melvin? Not permitting me to go to play football even. Not permitting me to play with my dog also. Mummy says always study, study, study. Arjun? Yesterday's century, isn't it? Century is there. Centurion. Okay. He liked it. He wanted to learn. Very important sentence. How much time I spent on that. And learn. He did. He learned. He earned top grades in school. I told my Richard will get 30 out of 30 when you got 18, 20 out of 30. My Richard, he will get 30 out of 30. He earned, he got, earned means he got top grades in school. On everyday things, daily matters, he was just like every other kid. In all his activities, he was like other children, his mother said. So mother is giving a green chit, green opinion, green certificate about to him. By the time he was in the second grade, class 2, a bride had collected all 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. You see, brilliant boy, my Richard, a bride. When he reached class 2, you reached class 10. When he reached class 2, he collected 25 kinds of butterflies from his surroundings. Every day he was running behind butterflies. 1 type, 2 type, 3 type, 4 type, different varieties. He collected 25 varieties of butterflies while he was in class 2. Class 2. Could you let me ask my children, how many butterflies came to your courtyard, in your garden? How many? You don't know. You have no time to see what butterflies. Who has time to see those butterflies? God is sending every day different butterflies to you because God loves you so much. God is sitting up above. From there he sent a black and white butterfly, black wings and white dots on that. He sent to you. He saw Afsana is so sad today. What happened, Afsana? Very moody today. Have you lost the ball? Have you lost the ball? Let us go to Byron. So God sent a black butterfly to Afsana. Afsana was still also a moody girl. Then God thought that, oh, she might not be liking black color, black and white color. So next day morning, God sent another butterfly, multicolor. Again, Afsana didn't give any look. On the third day, God sent another one. You see, when you are not looking at the butterfly in your garden, God thinks that you are not happy. How much God loves you. He sends another butterfly, but you don't have a mind to enjoy those butterflies. Hey, Steve, am I right? Because we think that these butterflies are for LKG, UKG students. Isn't it? We are grown up. We are grown up. Should we walk behind the butterflies? We would walk behind the stray dogs, isn't it? Take a stone and make a throw. Then you will be happy when the dog cries, bow, 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 bow. Isn't it? When you throw a stone to the dog, when the stone hits the dog cries, barks, bow, bow. Then you are very happy. You are very happy. A beautiful butterfly is flying around you. You have no time to enjoy that scene. Our Richie collected 25 kinds of butterflies when he was studying in class 2. Learn from Richie. And you people are sitting here. We have enough work. Go and study from my Richie. Understood? Collected all 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. See the following box. There are then 25 species are written there. 25 species. Just to go on through that, names of the species. There is no need to explain that one. These are the 25 species of butterflies which he collected, that box. Gossamer winged butterflies, white-tailed hairstreak, Acadian hairstreak, bronze copper, bog copper, purplish copper, eastern-tailed blue, Melissa blue, silvery blue, snout butterfly. Wood nymphs and suchies, eyed brown, wood nymph, monarch butterflies, whites and sulfurs, Olympia, cloudless sulfur, European cabbage. Name of a butterfly is cabbage. Variegated fritillary, Harry's checker spots, pearl crescent, morning clock, painted lady, buck eye, viceroy butterflies. You can put around viceroy. Put a round on viceroy. And here on the middle box, you can put a round on monarchs. These two. Monarch butterflies and viceroy butterflies. White admiral. White admiral, name of a butterfly. Red spotted purple. Hackberry. All these are the 25 kinds of butterflies. You see, at least tomorrow onwards, when butterfly comes, look at. It is autumn season. It is a spring season. There will be different kinds of flowers around you. Butterflies will come over there. Check it. Admire them, man. Admire them. Appreciate them. Hello, butterfly. Very good. How are you? Very good. You are beautiful. You tell to them. After 5 days, those butterflies will recognize your sound and they will come to you. That probably would have been the end of my butterfly collecting, he said. That probably would have been the end of my butterfly collection. Richard thought after collecting 25 varieties, 25 species, he thought still any more butterflies are not there. My collection is over. There are some students. After reading one page, my study is over. He also thought after collecting 25 species, he thought that his collection might be over. But You see, if your mama is sitting nearby, you tell, Mama, this lesson is about you. Eh? If your mother is sitting nearby, tell, Mama, today Josie sir is speaking about you. This day is for Mother's Day. This is Mother's Day. You see? But then my mother got me a children's book. Children's book called The Travels of Monarch 10. Underline. Children's book, The Travels of Monarch 10. That book, which told how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. Underline. Monarch butterflies migrate to Central America. Opened the world of science to the eager young collector, not a true collector, one who collects butterflies, not IAS collector. Clear now? Not IAS collector. Nowadays, collector is very famous, isn't it? And everybody knows about the collector. Here he told, you see, a mother, your mother, my mother, Richie's mother. Mother is the inspiration of invention. Mother is the inspiration of invention. Mother is the source of discoveries. Mother heard Richie was saying, I have collected all species of butterflies. No more work. My dear Nirvana, my dear Prajot, my dear Vishnu, what did you say 20 minutes before? We have enough works. No more work, please. Remember your words. Remember your words. Tell your mama. What did you say to Josie sir? Richard Ebright told his mama, Mama, I have collected 25 species. No more species in the world. My work is over. My work is over. I am going to watch my TV. No work. What did Richie's mother do? She went to the market. She went to a bookstore. She bought a book. The name of the book was The Travels of Monarch 10. She did not ask Richie anything. She gave a gift. Richie, happy birthday. Happy birthday. What is the birthday gift? The book on the Monarch 10. Travels of Monarch 10. Richie, with driving curiosity. First line, above, on the top. Richie, with driving curiosity, intense desire, ardent desire, a strong desire, he opened the book. The greedy mind of Richard opened the book. He saw the 26th species. Mother becomes the source of invention. Mother became the next source for discovery. Richie began his search for monarch. That is why I told you, if you have no work, tell Josie sir, I have hundreds of work, I will share. In this platform, teachers are sharing it, isn't it? Share screen. I will not share screen, I will share work. I can share work. We will share the work to the greedy mind, those who have ardent desire. Okay, so let us see what Ritchie did with the monarch. Okay, in the next class. Okay, thank you.